Cinderella, what'd you get? What'd you get for your birthday?
Look what I got.
You got a little present too?
I got a lion. I got that one.
Oh, that is awesome. It's a towel.
I know. Open this.
You just sound like that's a lot of work.
It's tough being the princess.
But what are we?
Emmer, there's one more present. It's behind the couch. You got a mission. It's behind the couch. What is it? Your own shopping cart for your grocery store.
How do we open it? Yeah.
Oh, that is cool, Emmer.
What's that? I didn't know. I don't know what that is.
Hey, Emmer, look at me. Do you like to go grocery shopping?
Open it.
Hey, Emmer, look here. Let's take a picture. Tic Tacs?
All the things you need for your purse.
Awesome. That purse looks like a grandma purse. You have that purse, don't you, Bart?
Yes.
Money!
Money.
Money, not again.
She's like, yeah, but don't touch it. You can look at you, but don't touch. What a great birthday you're having.
Emma, now you can do your own grocery shopping.
Emerson,
Would you be so cool if you actually took that to the grocery store with you? Why couldn't you?
Yeah, I could.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Emerson, you want to play Help Me Fly with me?
Yeah.
Can I
Put
play
a baby bunny in the seat.
No, can I be the mom? Sure. How about it was just her birthday today, then on tomorrow was her birthday?
Hey, Cinderella, you want to eat?
I got that.
Oh, putting your stuff back?
Remember last week when you said you wanted a purse just like mine?
Yeah,
That's pretty similar to it, huh? Don't stand on there, please. Oh, money's in there. Emma, what do you say to Grandma and Pop? There's a flashlight in here, too, because every girl needs a flashlight in her purse. It's in the zipper part over here. And there's a Band-Aid in there because you need a Band-Aid in your purse always, too.
Hey, Emmer, look at me. Has this been a great birthday? Yeah, did you say thank you to everybody? Yell it really loud. Oh, yeah, okay.
What did she get there?
Her own little shopping cart.
Oh my goodness.
And a big girl purse.
Big girl purse.
Yep. Yes, she did.
That's our whole plan. That's a good plan. Remember Tegan Demand? Say sure. It's so cool. Tegan Ansel Demand.
Tegan answered the man.
Oh, it's like...
You're right on, Julie.
I don't remember being right.
Someone must carry on my name.